morning. It's 26 degrees on Saturday morning and it's roughly 9:15. Start off with the frangipani. It's a beautiful calm day down here at the Cairns esplanade. Absolutely amazing morning. Can't get much better than this morning. The tide's currently coming in, I think. Have a look at this. This is what people come to see. You come to see a beautiful view. Look how calm it is. As you could hear people saying, "Oh my God, it's so good." The view is fantastic. So the tide's on the way in. Just imagine how awesome it would be just to be out in a boat. What a totally magnificent Saturday. Saturday the 11th of October 2025. Look at all the birds. Lots of birds having fun. Have a look. There's people leaving on the aeroplane. What a day to leave. One of the most beautiful scenic days ever. To leave early in the morning. You miss the chance to come for a lovely one last walk along the esplanade. It's just absolutely awesome. 26 degrees, light breeze. Tide coming in. As you can see, all the birds are getting excited. They're all out there trying to get their little munch in. RSL Club. Our flags are moving but not flying very high today. Not yet. Wait till about 11 o'clock. It's about an hour and a half away when the wind changes. Because we've still got a little bit of the coastal breeze. Beat you could hear in the background is from the water aerobics, which started at 9 o'clock. Again, have a look at the view. These are the most famous pelicans in all of North Queensland. People come down and watch these pelicans for hours. I literally mean hours. They come down, have their lunch, look and see what the pelicans are doing, depending on the tide. But look at the wildlife today. There's just birds absolutely everywhere. Here you got the street. we have Savannah and Around, which is up in Mariba, about an hour's drive from here. It can take up to an hour and 20 minutes due to the inconsistent roadworks. They can't get the range right. 3 years they've been working on it and still cannot get it right. But Savannah Around, it's always a good thing. They have a bus that leaves early in the morning to go up there each day, and the bus comes back at 11 o'clock at night from Savannah and Around. And as I said, there's quite a fair few people doing water aerobics today. We've got the Lions Club, the Red Cross up here. We'll check it out, see what's happening. Just remember, there's always plenty of water. You can bring your drink bottle down, plenty of water to drink. There's bins. You got different photographers that come just to look for the wildlife, for all the birds during migration time. Trying to catch that elusive photo of other birds migrating this time of the year, being spring in the southern hemisphere. Oh my lord, it's so good. So you can come down in the morning, Saturday morning. It's just making people aware of what's going on. Get a lovely free sausage sizzle for breakfast. That's the emergency services day. It's good they've had it. They've actually got it in the right place because you've got everyone there. You got our Red Cross. You've got lots to see and do. You've got everything here. And it's just making people aware with the weather events that's going to come. How you going, man? It's always good to come along here and get information on how you can be better in cases of cyclones and disasters that happen. Usually it's cyclones. Always remember to respect your lifesavers. They do a lot for the industry. You have free painting down here today. Free kits, usually. And what else do they have? And it's always good giving as much information as we can to the kids and about where to swim and play. So with that, don't be afraid to come down today and check it out. They're here till just after lunch, and you'll see it and get valuable information. I'm Grass Pepper, and thank you.